I'm Matt Bishar with NAREIT.com here in New York City for REITWeek 2015. Joining me for this CEO Spotlight is John Kilroy, President and CEO of Kilroy Realty. John, thanks so much for joining us.
Great to be here.
Now, earlier this year, your company sold 10 West Coast office buildings for around $300 million. How important a role does capital recycling play in funding Kilroy's future growth?
Well, it's been a big part of the way we've structured the company since we went public back in '97. We've sold roughly $300 million this year, as you said. We'll probably do $400 million in aggregate this year, probably $400 million or so next year. And we've used that to cycle it into the acquisitions we've done, into the development projects we've done. So together with dispositions and use of our ATM and then our investment-grade credit rating bond issuance, that's kind of the way the three devices we've used to grow the company.
And what potential do you see for embedded rent growth and occupancy upside within your core portfolio?
Well, company-wide, as you know, we're from San Diego to Seattle. We're about 10%, perhaps a little bit greater, under current market on average. In San Francisco, we're probably 30% below market, and in 2015 expirations in San Francisco, we're about 65% below market. So we've got some terrific upside across the platform.
And lastly, what would you say are the highlights of your company's development pipeline at this time?
Well, development's been great for us. I mean, we really capitalized on our development expertise over the last few years. And we developed and delivered $540 million last year of fully leased projects. We have $1.1 billion underway right now. We're about 85% leased in that. We have about $3 to $4 billion more that we'll do over the next 2-3 years, this cycle permitting. And it's extremely accretive. Most of the stuff we're building to 8% going in yields. We've been selling assets in the 5% cap rate range. So we're trading in assets that are brand new, state of the market, best locations, LEED, platinum, all the bells and whistles, and improving the yields by 200 to 300 basis points. So that's been pretty strong for us.
John, thank you so much for joining us.
Great to be here. Thank you.
For more on this and other REIT news and analysis, be sure to visit REIT.com.